In this tutorial, we will teach you how to register an account and verify your profile. First, on the CM Index website, click on Sign Up button. Fill up your details including your name, country, address, phone number and email. After that, make sure to accept all terms and conditions before continuing to the next page. In this section, we will be sent a confirmation PIN to the email address specified in the previous step. Please enter the PIN here, and then click on Continue. You are now successfully logged into your account. Your account login credentials have been sent to your email. To verify your account, on the Profile tab menu, select Verification, then you will be directed into the verification process. At this point, you need to complete all types of verification including email, phone number, document and a selfie photo. Please enter your email and click on Send Verification link. You will receive the verification code through email. Enter the verification code and click Next. For mobile verification, kindly enter your phone number. Then click on Send Verification Code. You will receive a tag number from your message. Enter the code then click Next. In Identity Document Verification, kindly select your country that issued your document. Choose your document type to verify. For the ID document photo, please make sure your ID is readable, bright and clear. Click Next and start taking a photo of your ID. You can upload your document manually by selecting Upload Manually if you have your document ready. Upload your ID document and click Next. For the selfie verification, face the camera. Ensure your face is within the frame. Then slowly turn your head around in a circle. If you are on the desktop mode, you can verify using your mobile phone. Kindly scan the QR code with your phone or you can copy a link. Complete all the verification tasks and wait for your profile to be verified.
CM Index, the people's broker.